Okay, student, very first of all, I would like to say very sorry because yesterday I've tried a lot on laptop and mobile both, but it was not working. There was lots of problem in full society regarding this Geo and this internal network and all that. So, which lecture it is? It was cancelled on Friday. That will be continue on Saturday and Sunday both. So today, with Divya's tips, I'll continue my lectures. Sunday will be we will arrange one lecture because Friday we have to cancel. We had cancelled due to this network problem. Okay, first questions I have already, first question I have already solved. Geometry question number 2B, fifth, last question of second B. Find the distance of AB. A is given, B is given, that x1, y1, x2, y2. See, this type of problem, it is very important because to find the distance between 2 points or to find the distance of a point from the origin. That is very, 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 very important. Surely they are going to ask. Maybe this number will be changed, but the concept, the method are the same. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x1 minus x2 square, y1 minus y2 square, substitute. I got minus 8, 1 minus minus plus 3 I got, 3 3 is a 9, 8 8 is a 64, 64 plus 9, 73. It is a prime number. Square root is not possible. And have you seen, Bacha, that some students score more than 90, some students score more than 70, 80, some student got 80 KT. What she told, no, that is overall ward wise, but in our school only two students got 80 KT in language. So we are giving same treatment to each and every student. We are giving same tips, same example, same solution, same method to each and every student of our class. One line I have read today in mobile, from that I got this idea that Guru was same, Dronacharya. They have given the same treatment, same knowledge, same training to all the student. उसमें से एक दुर्योधन बना और उसी में से एक अर्जुन बना. तो सी वी आर गिविंग सेम ट्रीटमेंट, उसमें से एक दिव्या बने, उसमें से टिकटी वाले भी बने. So it is she had started with that point. It is up to you. The motivation comes from your side. जिस दिन याद ठान दी ना कि मुझे ये बनना है, दुनिया का कोई आदमी, कोई मुसीबत कहीं भी नहीं रोक पाएगा, याद रखो. So from today only, you keep your mind that I within 10 years I will achieve this manzil. No one will stop you. So that is her first point. This is the okay. Day by day, every day you are listening me. Every day you are observing me. You must get bored. So I thought this is my every year activity that I convey message of old student to new student, and you will also find something new, something different. So okay, so first some we have completed. Now next is Pythagoras. This is very important to prove Pythagoras theorem. In increasing order, give the name x, y, and 90 means z. And here you have to draw perpendicular. So this is D. X is there, Z means 90 means Z, and for this it is Y. This much. Y is there, Z is 90, so X is there. So triangle number 1, triangle number 2, Triangle number 3. You follow this method only. It is very easy, and steps you can write very easily. So this is first and third, second and third. First, name of first, X, Y, Z, B, A, D. Third, X, Y, Z. Triangle. Just now I told you from Guru Dronacharya, one born as a Duryodhan, one born as a Arjun. Like that only going in our lecture. Yesterday in school, no, 3 parents met me. And they really appreciated that, sir. Every day you are doing something different, sir. Online live lectures you are taking. They've appreciated, and 3 have appreciated, but 4 name I have given to the madam that they are doing misbehavior in this online. See, the treatment is same, link is same, this lesson is same, but 3 parents came specially to meet me in school, and to whom I have called they didn't came. That 4 student name I have already declared. See, I am giving the same treatment, but see the result. So it is up to you that how much positivity you are creating in your self. Okay, X, Y, X, Y, Z, C, B, D, X, Y, Z, C, A, B. Okay, in this one is 90, 90. In this, which is 90? First, which is 90? In third, which is 90? In second, which is 90? Each 90. Now common in first and this angle A, angle A. In this angle C, angle C. Common. Therefore now 2 triangles are congruent. Sorry, similar. Sorry. By AA test. Now first, second, second, the third first. First, second, second, the third first. BA, AD, DB. CA, AB, BC. CB, BD, DC. Now sides are in proportion of similar triangle. From here I want AB square. So cancel this. So AB square AD into AC. BC square correct by cross product. Now left hand side total, right hand side total. AB square BC square AD into AC plus DC CA. AC common. AD plus DC means AC. Is equal to AC square. So hence it is proved. Pythagoras theorem. So this by first plus second. Okay. AC common. Now AD plus DC is equal to AC. This is AC square. So to prove Pythagoras theorem, it is very easy. This way you have to follow this method only. Definitely you will get correct sequence. Then very good example of two tangent segment drawn from outside the circle, a point from the circle are congruent. So this Pythagoras theorem proof I have written many times. Every time I am explaining. So by drill work you must remember that. This is A, this is M, this is N, this is C, this is P, this is B. What we have to prove, AM is equal to half of parameter of triangle ABC. Point number 1, AM is equal to AN. From outside point, if two tangents you will draw, both are congruent. In next question, this proof they have asked. So these two are equal from AM, AN. Same from B point, PB is equal to BM. Same from C, CP is equal to CN. Same reason, two tangent segment from point outside the circle are always congruent. Now, parameter of triangle ABC is equal to what? AB, BC, CA. Now, AB will remain same, AB. BC will be PB plus PC plus CA. What I have substituted? Sum of three sides of triangle. And here what I have substituted? BC is equal to PB plus PC. Now, AB will remain AB. PB is equal to what? BM. PB is equal to BM. PC is equal to CN. PC is equal to CN substituted, right? Next, what is the addition of this? Addition of this ABBM, ABBM, that is AM, ACCN, that is AN, addition of segment. Now here AM is equal to what? AN. AN is equal to AM, sorry. AM, AM. So AM is equal to AN. Substitution. So it is 2 AM. Parameter of triangle ABC. Now 2 goes down, so half parameter of triangle ABC is equal to AM. That we have to prove. Again addition of, no, simplify, because AM simplify, divide by 2. I have not done from left to right, I have done from right to left. That is also correct. That also you can do. Okay. So first triangle ABC, AB, BC, CA. Then break down this BC into PB, PC. Then from equal segment, this replace. From equal segment, replace this. Now add these two segment, you will get this. Add the two segment, you will get this. And both again are equal. These two are equal. So it is 2 AM. 2 goes down. Now next. For this I need free. Given that triangle PQR is equilateral triangle, QS is equal to QR by 3. To prove that 9PS square 7PQ square, very important question. Very big diagram I will draw so you can understand. This is P Q R. QS is 1/3. PT, it is a perpendicular bisector. This is 60, this is 60. Now stepwise, see, this is very easy, very easy. We have to find out this relation. So point number 1, triangle PQR is equilateral triangle given. Therefore, PQ QR RS is equal to 3x. I have considered 3x. Why 3x? Because 1/3 is given. If I will take x, no, I have to take x by 3. So fractional, that will be difficult. Consider. So this is 3x. This is also 3x. So this much is x. QS is equal to QR by 3, 3x by 3 is equal to x. Follow this. Step number 1, all are 3x, 3x, 3x. Step number 2, that part is given 1/3, so it is x. Now QT is equal to QR by 2. Why? It is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular and bisector. On equilateral, when you will draw perpendicular, it is a bisector. If you will draw bisector, it will be a perpendicular. Both. If it is perpendicular, it is bisector. If it is bisector, it is perpendicular. So this much is 1.5x. This much is x. This much is 1.5x. So how much is this? QS plus ST is equal to QT. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. QS we have x. ST we don't have. QT we have by addition of segment. Substitution. So ST is equal to 1.5x minus x. Simplify. So ST 1.5x minus x. So it is 0.5. 0.5 means half. So x by 2. Simplify. So this much is x by 2. Okay. And height opposite to height. PT is equal to root 3 by 2 of PQ. 30, 60, 90. Opposite of 60 degree. Opposite of 60 is root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. So PT will be root 3 by 2 of 3x. So that is substitution. So 3 root 3 by 2 x. 3 root 3 by 2 x. Now I will draw this much triangle. So base you got x by 2. Height you got 3 root 3 by 2 x. This is the question. Which PTS? Now in right angle triangle PTS, PS square is equal to PT square plus ST square. PT square 3 root 3 by 2 x whole square. ST x by 2 whole square. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. This is 27. X square by 4. X square by 4. So PS square 28 by 4 x square. So PS square is equal to cancel. So 7 x square. So PS square is equal to 7. This is x. Compared to whom it is given? PQ. PQ is 3x. So what is x? PQ by 3. So this is PQ by 3. Now square. PQ square. 3 3 are 9. 9 goes here. 9 PA square 7 PQ square. It's light. See what we want that. See from all side. I got this 3x, 3x, 3x considered. Now 1/3 part, it is x. Bisector 3 half means 1.5. 1.5 minus 1, so 0.5. 0.5 means half. And opposite to 60 is root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse. So 3x into root 3 by 2. So 3 root 3 x by 2. So now I got this, I got this, I want this. So PA square is equal to this square plus this square. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. X square 2 2s are 4. X square 2 2s are 4. 4 common division. 27 plus 128 divided by 4, 7s are 7x square. So 3x is equal to PQ. So x is equal to PQ by 3. So PQ square 3 3s are 9. 9 goes this side. If you will listen this and observe very minutely with full concentration, with full all reasoning, this sum will be damn easy for you. Pratik sir, how many minutes remain?
1 minute.
Okay. Next, that is MCQ. Let's try to cover. 1 plus 10 square is equal to what? 1 plus 10 square is equal to what? That is a question. Like that, they can ask 1 plus cot square is equal to what? MCQ question. 1 plus 10 square is equal to sec square. Sec square theta. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square theta. Two circle with radii 5.5, 3.3. R1 5.5 centimeter. R2 3.3 centimeter. Now if touching externally, so the distance is equal to R1, R2 5.5, 3.3, 8.8 centimeter. If it is touching internally, so the distance is